Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use files in FFmpeg. We will cover the fundamental steps to process your media. FFmpeg is an incredibly versatile tool, capable of handling hundreds of different formats and codecs. It allows you to manipulate audio and video with great flexibility, from simple conversions to complex editing tasks. Let's dive into the core functionalities and get you started with managing your media files efficiently. To begin, you need to tell FFmpeg which file to work with. You do this by using the -i option, followed by the name of your input file. For example, FFmpeg I input, MP4. Then you specify the name of your output file, like output. AVI. FFmpeg is smart. It usually figures out the output format based on the file extension you provide. Remember to always check your new file to ensure it meets your expectations. One of FFmpeg's most common uses is converting media formats. You can easily transform a video from an MP4 container to a WebM or an audio file from a large WAV to a more compact MP3. To do this, you simply specify the input and output files. For example, FFmpeg I input, MP4 output, WebM. You can also add options for specific video or audio codecs like C, V for video codec to fine-tune the conversion process for quality or file size. FFmpeg allows you to extract individual streams from a media file. For example, to get just the audio from a video, you use the -vn option, which means no video. The command would look like FFmpeg I video, MP4 VN audio, MP3. Conversely, to extract only the video without any audio, you would use the hyphen and option, meaning no audio. This is incredibly handy for isolating specific parts of your media for other projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.